Storing templates in folders allows you to organize your one-touch buttons for common copy, scan, and fax workflows. Perform the following steps to register a copy template into a folder. Press Copy. Program desired job settings. For this activity, a common black and white and duplexed copy job will be programmed. Tap Black. Press two-sided and then select 1-2 duplex. Press OK. Press the template button to create a one-touch of these scan settings on the home screen. Select desired location to store the template on the home screen. Press the right arrow and then select the folder that you would like to store the template in. Select desired location to store the template in the folder. Select desired icon and use Name 1 and Name 2 fields to personalize the template. Tap OK when done. To access the template, tap the Home button. Press the right arrow, select folder with your desired template, and tap it to invoke its job settings.